this short video, we're gonna show you how you can add a machine in the Liquidtool app. On the home screen, you click the plus icon and select Add Machine. First, you choose the machine manufacturer. Then choose the machine model. Enter a unique internal name. And now select the location. After clicking Next, you can set the tank size. Please be aware of the units. And now we add the coolant manufacturer and product name. Important now, enter the refractometer factor. You can find it on the datasheet. And then set the date of the initial filling. Click Next. Now we set the limits and target concentration. This is a very important step as you will receive notifications once the coolant concentration is close to a limit or out of range. So select carefully as this step is vital for optimal performance. Now do the same with the temperature. Click Next. Now your machine is successfully created and you can either directly connect the sensor or start measuring manually.